Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. Today is Wednesday, the 16th of August. I'm Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. One of the points that we made in our most recent weekly market view is the broadening out of returns amongst U.S. sectors. Now, one of the sectors that deserves some attention at this stage is U.S. financials. Let's take a look at the positioning in the U.S. U.S. growth sectors seem to be crowded at this stage. Defensive sectors are not stretched, but the narrative of a soft landing may act against them. Financials, on the other hand, may enjoy a best of both worlds status, i.e. still relatively uncrowded, but can do relatively well in a soft landing scenario. Next, let us look at how US yield levels would mean for US financials. Now, traditionally, a higher US yield level would be positive. However, recently, the correlation of US financials to rising yields has changed for the opposite, i.e. falling yields correlated with better performance in US financials. So why is that? Well, basically, rising real yields would signal increasing odds of a hard landing, and then partially due to losses that banks would face on their treasury securities. Moreover, the reduced willingness of consumers to borrow may offset potential margin gains on the bank's performance. So on a 6 to 12 month horizon, we do expect the US 10-year yield to retreat to 3% to 3.25% levels, which would be positive for the banks based upon the recent dynamics. Within US financials, US regional banks appears to be an interesting choice right now. So bank deposit outflows have stabilized, and positioning indicates investors have yet to capitulate on bearish regional bank bets. So if US growth remains resilient, but slows enough to ensure that yields may fall further, then US regional banks may be a reasonable area for investors to be searching out for some gains. That is all from me for today. As always, if you enjoy this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details, visit Market Views on the Go on our website or click the link in the description.